Tadavayam. Tatam avayam. Your two arms make us fearless. And then Krishna would say, oh, you're just sentimental. You're just sentimental women. There's no logic. You're crazy about me. You're just totally in love with me. You can't even think straight. Oh, yeah? And then they say this. They say, you protected us from the pride of Indra. Those arms will certainly kill that beast named Kamsa. Your arms will certainly kill that beast. It means Pashu, animal, beast named Kamsa. Give it to them, Sakis. He's a beast, no doubt. So then Vishwanath comes out of the Leela and says, in this way, the gopis' Shringar Ras is nourished by a hint of Virya Ras, chivalry. So when you talk about powerful arms, you talk about heroes. You talk about Kshatriyas. They have the characteristic of a Kshatriya, the lakshanas, powerful arms. So this is Vira Ras, one of the Gona Rasas. So any girl has a boyfriend, she doesn't want a wimp for a boyfriend. She wants some powerful, strong man. This power is one of the opulences. This physical power and wealth and beauty and renunciation and knowledge. These are different bhagyas or sampat, wealth. So there's so many discussions about the Vira Ras. So here they're Madhur Rati, they're Shringar Rati, intimate, wonderful, amorous love for Krishna is being mixed with my boyfriend's tough. He can lift 100 kilos. So girl, be proud. My boyfriend's strong. My boyfriend, I'll go anywhere. If anybody comes, boom. I'm fearless when I'm with my boyfriend. So this is hinted at here. It's not hinted, it's very obvious. Vira Ras.